Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I have here another FPV crate from Getfpv for the month of May. And here we go. Let's take a peek at what we got this month. And as usual, we have our normal thank you card that we normally get. A sheet of stickers, so freestyle quadcopters, fly or die. A nice little frequency table. Seems like you should start adding digital frequencies in there for DJI, but hey, let's not focus too much on that stuff. All right, so some nice stickers. Here we have a coupon for Brain 3D for 30% off the entire store. So go ahead and use it. And let's see, we got our normal bubble wrap, our little hot dog style stuff. Ooh, we have 3 sets of Ethics S3 props. These are my favorite acro prop. These things are awesome. If you've never tried any of the Ethics S3s, give these a try. The watermelon colors, these are excellent, excellent props. Very happy about that. And let's see, we have some Grip Light, another set of special edition, but this one looks like it's already been cut for some reason. We have an SD card holder. Now this is kind of cool. I like this. So little individual slots to hold your SD cards. Believe it or not, this is actually a pretty cool idea. I have accidentally actually run over an SD card with my computer chair because I have so many things just kind of laying around. Now I have a nice, solid, secure place to put all of them. Yeah, they're not going to come out. That's really cool. I like this. Obviously it didn't come with SD cards. And in the bottom of the box we have Stark. I'm gonna have to guess this is probably a frame, hence the custom cut Grip. And let's zoom in here, take a closer look. Alright. In here we have one freestyle quadcopter frame. Interesting. Looks like this is made by possibly T-Motor? I don't know. I don't know who makes this. But so this is the Stark freestyle frame. Let's go ahead and build this bad boy up and take a quick look at it, what it looks like when it's assembled. Oh, look at that, the nut plates come pre-installed. That's really nice. A lot of people struggle. They hit the struggle bus pretty hard with those nut plates. Arms are nicely chamfered. Stiff as frig. Well, there we go. That is that's the Stark Freestyle frame. Pretty, I don't know. I mean, it's pretty basic. There's really not a lot to say that's special about it. It's this this bus QAVR style frame. Plenty of room to build in. This would be great for a beginner, or I mean, this style frame has been pretty ubiquitous with freestyle for a very long time. All the carbon fiber is chamfered, which that's a pretty big expense from the manufacturer. Really good stuff. Has plenty of options for lipo strap mounting, which is really nice. I don't see any provisions for like a GoPro mount, but that's probably why they gave you the 30% off Brain FPV coupon. As you see, we do have options for 20 by 20 or 30 by 30 mounting, but your stack mounts do share mounting with the arms. So if you need to replace an arm, you got to loosen up your stack screws. So that's kind of a pain in the butt, but it is made a lot easier because of the fact that there is nuts in this plate, so you don't have to take that nut off, which can be kind of difficult if you're working through a stack. Like I said, everything's chamfered, really beefy frame. This would be like I say, be hard to break, but what's going to break, it's going to be the top or the bottom plate. I can already tell when I'm flexing it. I can see the bottom plate bending right here a little bit, but I mean, everything breaks. You do have provisions back here for, say, like, I don't know, maybe a Caddx Vista. You could chuck that in the back there, or like a 20 by 20 mountable VTX receiver board, something like that. Micro camera mounting in the front, kind of a traditional side plate style. I don't know why they drilled and cut in the back here, except for, you see it does have options for a 3-hole setup or a 2-hole. So you know what, I bet you one of these is set up for DJI and the other one is set up for a traditional FPV camera. Yeah, I bet you that's what it is. So you do have some flexibility with your camera mounting here in the front, which is kind of nice. Let's see if the stupid thing's dead again. So the frame arms are, they're 5mm carbon on the arms, 2 and 2 for the top and bottom plates. And from corner to corner, it's about 225 millimeters corner to corner. And it is a little bit of a stretched X. It's not a true X. It's about 170 here to here and about 150 from here to here. So we do have that custom piece of grip cut for the battery mat, which is nice, and also we have plenty of grip to spare, so definitely don't throw that away. That's certainly a very useful amount of grip. And when all said is done, you have 3 extra screws left over, one of the 10, one for the standoffs, one for the arm mounts, and one for the frame mounts, and there's still a bag full of spacers, gummies, and nylock nuts. So it is pretty much a complete frame. Oh, and let's not forget the lipo strap. This seems like it's a good lipo strap. It has the rubber parts built into it, which is always nice. It's a big herky battery strap. Would have liked to have seen 2 because, you know, 2 lipo straps, that's a force multiplier. 1 holds as good as 1, 2 holds as good as 3. I don't know how to explain it, but I think it keeps the battery from levering itself off the frame. So there you go. We have our Getfpv FPV crate for the month of May. And in here we have 1 frame, freestyle frame, 5-inch, 3 sets of 5-inch acro props, a 30% off coupon, 2 Brain 3D, a sticker pack, and that is it. Pretty good haul, pretty good box. If this frame floats your boat, then, man, you made a good choice. Is it worth the money that you paid for it? Yeah, for sure. I mean, if you're in the market for this style 5-inch acro frame, yeah, you definitely made your right choice. I have yet to be I have yet to get one of these boxes where I was like, this is a complete waste of money. Maybe once, but that was it. Even the quantity of things inside the box, it was still worth more than what I paid for the box. But anyways, that's it. That's it for the month of May. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking us out. And if you like what I'm doing here, please like and subscribe. And if you really want to support me, head over to Patreon. Go ahead and check that out. I do monthly giveaways. This thing, I don't know, might be one of the giveaways coming up. But you got to check it out to see what it takes to get it. Check out my Discord server if you have any questions or you need help troubleshooting your problems, setting up FR Sky stuff for some reason. It seems to be a big topic right now. And that's it. I'll see you all next time, guys. Have a good one.